Wow, these are some strange birds I've just come across on top of the east peak of Qixing, the 7-star mountain on YangMingShan in Taipei, Taiwan. And these seem to be flightless birds. A pair of flightless birds, brown feathers, jumping kind of birds, going into the brush. Yeah, come on guys. Yep. There's a scooting back in there. Wow, fascinating. So we're about about 50 meters from the top of the east peak at again Qixing. Let's see if I can't take you to the top. I was actually here 10 minutes ago before I went to the top of the main peak. Well, while we're here, I'll show you something cool. Wow. Wow. Orange stuff. Wow, vivid and orange. Wow. It grows on this side of a mountain. Wow. That's cool. Orange and green. And the void. Okay, almost there. Wind's blowing. Zero visibility. Stuck in a cloud. Take you to the very top. Okay. Flightless birds and other curious things on top of Qixing. Oh, tourists. Great. Okay. So we've summited. Now, time to go down. Okay, I think that's about it. That's the view from the top.